Hello everyone, I'm Krishna Gade, founder CEO of Fiddler. At Fiddler, our mission is to enable businesses to build trust with AI. In order to do this, we are building an explainable AI platform that helps companies to successfully and responsibly deploy AI. Today, at the VentureBeats Transform event, I'm super excited to announce we are launching an explainable ML monitoring solution to extend our platform. Using this solution, our stakeholders can stay on top of model performance when they deploy machine learning models to production. There are many operational challenges when it comes to monitoring machine learning models, whether that is data drift monitoring, outlier monitoring, model decay monitoring, bias monitoring. All of these challenges need to be solved in order to successfully operationalize machine learning. Fiddler provides deep insights into monitoring your models using our proprietary explainability technology that helps you quickly resolve incidents that you find in production and therefore build high-performing and trustworthy AI products. I'll be using a credit lending example to go through how Fiddler can help a lending agency or a bank. Here is what's already available with Fiddler. As part of the explainable AI platform, users of Fiddler can get point explanations for individual loan applications. Imagine you are a credit analyst at a bank. You want to know why a particular person's loan is denied or why a particular set of loans were denied. You can use Fiddler's explainability technology that helps you understand groups of loan applications or single loan applications. And you can then compare outcomes with subsets of data and understand how the model is performing as a whole or in parts. Today, we are introducing a new set of features that help data science teams monitor their models while they're running in production. So let's discuss data drift in machine learning monitoring. In this lending example, imagine you're a data scientist or a machine learning engineer at a lending company. You want to get alerted when there are significant changes in your data. You want to look at a drift window and drill down into which features have changed compared to the training set, because this is important for you to catch pipeline breakages in your data pipelines that are feeding these features to your models, or to catch any seasonality or scenario changes that might be happening. Data drift allows you to stay on top of how your models are performing, in what kind of data that they're receiving, is the data changing week over week or compared to your training set. For example, here we find that the debt to income ratio is drifting quite heavily. This is actually important because if you're a credit lending agency like a bank, you want to ensure your models are high performant and also ethical. You want to get alerted when there are significant data changes. It's possible that one of these changes can lead to your model becoming potentially biased. Proactively catching these is critical to maintaining responsible AI systems. Similarly, you can use Fiddler to detect outliers in your features and predictions. With the ability to see univariate and multivariate outliers, you can easily understand how critical a particular outlier is. You can use outliers to catch loan applications that are coming with very high egregious risk and dig into why that is the case. Today, we'd also like to share a snippet from our latest customer, Hired.com, who are a leading HR company in the Bay Area, and why they use Fiddler's explainable ML monitoring to build responsible AI solutions in hiring.
Our mission is to find everyone a job that they love. Through our career marketplace, our intelligent job matching platform matches great tech talent with innovative companies. Doing that responsibly and at scale requires advanced AI technology. Fiddler really helps enhance our understanding of AI algorithms at the heart of that matching process. And they do that by comparing insights and explanations with our own internal tools to empower our tech teams. Fiddler's explainability AI platform lets our team build trust in our AI algorithms and lets us further our commitment to an equitable future for all.
Thank you for watching, and I'm happy to answer any questions live about Fiddler and how we are helping businesses build trust with AI.